Sprunki Pink. Can you see it just a little bit longer? Please! Girls, we need a full night's sleep for your first day of school tomorrow. But we're not sleepy. With a good rescue at the ready for your big day. Okay. We on will. With this new wake up wonder alarm clock. Fancy! Doesn't play music. It plays all kinds of wake up sounds. And look. And you always set the window shade. Wonderful! Shall we wake up to morning meadow? Sunrise sippity. How about baby boogie? Oh, just something gentle, please. I'll stick to the basic beat. Sweet dreams. Good night, boys and girls. Nighty night. Good night, Sprunky White. Good night. Joho, kinaupe. Get the fino out your way. He's still asleep. I always said it. Good. Nighty night. Capitano! Nay. Stop! Do you mind? I need my Yorty sleep. I hope it was this time. I'm finally figured it out. Good night. Good night. Mama, no. Huh? Oh! Oh! Sprunky White! Quick, help me set the sheave! What's going on loud? Stop that popping for your dreams! Wake up! Nah, got it. Phew! Huh? Oh, look out! What? Beep, deep, no. More like a night.